Search engine optimization or SEO, is the process of affecting the online visibility of a website in search engines' organic results. Search engine optimized websites appear in the top positions of the results and receive more traffic. Search engine crawlers scan the web to find and index all publicly available web pages. They visit each website and by reading the HTML code, they extract the information they need and add it to their index. When a user types a search query, it's the job of search engine algorithms to decide which websites to rank higher in the results. During this continuous process, both crawlers and algorithms are looking for clues to help them make the right decisions. Websites that can do this more efficiently rank higher in the search results. The SEO process has a number of steps and a set of rules you can apply to a website so that it provides the right signals to crawlers and algorithms. There are many SEO rules. In fact, the Google ranking algorithm takes into account more than 255 factors when assessing the quality of a web page. To make it easier to handle, the various factors can be grouped into three categories: technical, on-page, and off-page. Technical SEO is the process of optimizing your website for the crawling and indexing phase. It is called technical because it has nothing to do with the actual content of the website or with website promotion methods. The main goal is to help search engine crawlers read and index your website without problems. On-page SEO is the process of optimizing the content of a website. The goal of on-page SEO is to speak the search engine language and help crawlers understand the meaning and context of your pages. This is the part where you optimize your headings, titles, keywords and website structure. Off-page SEO has to do with website promotion methods. These are techniques that go beyond website design and content. It is usually referred to as link building. A page that has backlinks from other websites is considered to be more important than pages with no incoming links. This means it has more chances in getting picked up by the algorithms. This is a critical part of the whole optimization process, but you only have to deal with this after the other two processes are completed. When you start with SEO, you may come across other definitions like local SEO or e-commerce SEO. These are subsets of search engine optimization specific for certain types of websites. For example, local is more suited for businesses that have a physical presence and want to get more customers to their doors, while e-commerce is primarily for online shops. Search engine optimization is important for the success of an online business. The majority of search engine users are more likely to click on one of the top 5 suggestions in the results. To take advantage of this and gain more traffic, your website needs to appear in the top positions. SEO is not only about search engines, but good practices improve the user experience and usability of a website. Users trust search engines, and having a presence in the top positions increases the website's trust. SEO is good for the social promotion of a website. People who find a website by searching Google or Bing are more likely to promote it on Facebook or other social networks. SEO can place your business ahead of the competition. If two websites are selling the same thing, the search engine optimized website is more likely to gain more customers and make more sales. The main goal of SEO is to optimize a website to rank higher and get more traffic from search engines. To make it easier to manage, the whole process is broken down into 3 main sub-processes: technical, on-page, and off-page SEO. The basic principles are the same for all websites, and then depending on the type of your website, you can apply specific rules to further improve your search engine rankings.